Hey, what's up? This is Sushant. Hope you all are doing amazing. I'm so glad that you want to know about how affiliate marketing is really important for making passive income online, and I'm going to talk about that today. So let's get into it. So you want to know about affiliate marketing and how it can be helpful for you to make passive income online. So moving forward, just let me first tell you about what is affiliate marketing. You might be going through a hell lot of content on internet. You might be going on YouTube, you might be searching on Google and want to know about what is affiliate marketing and how you can make money with affiliate marketing, or how it can be helpful for you to leave your 9 to 5 job and start a new career as an affiliate marketer. All right, so you might be having a lot of thoughts, a lot of frustration about, you might be getting overwhelmed because of a lot of content or a lot of information available about this topic. All right, so I'm gonna give you in very simple words what is affiliate marketing and how it's important for making passive income online. All right, so talking about affiliate marketing, just let me give you a little simple idea about affiliate marketing. See, you need to understand first of all that there are three things when we talk about affiliate marketing. The first thing is the product or the service. All right, the product can be created by any company, the product can be created by any individual. All right, or it can be a software, or it can be anything, right? Irrespective of your niche, you might be in a health niche, health or wellness. It can be in a relationship niche, or it can be making money online, or any particular niche, right? You can be in any industry. All right, so there are the products available. All right, so there is a company, there is an individual, or there is a software which is available. I personally promote digital products. So if there is a product, so there is a software. All right, so this is the one thing. Second and very, very important thing is that there are the people who are looking for solutions for their problems. All right, so these are the customers for your product. So this is the product and this is the customers. All right, so these are the two important pillars of any affiliate marketing. And there's a third important thing, which is you as an affiliate marketer. All right, so these is the triangle of affiliate marketing, right? There is a product, there are the customers, and there is the person like you as an affiliate marketer, right? And let me tell you what is your main duty into affiliate marketing, what you can do into affiliate marketing. See, affiliate marketing is so simple. All right, the fundamentals of affiliate marketing is so simple, but once you get into affiliate marketing, that because of lack of knowledge, because of not having mentors, you just you pick up anything and you follow anything, and you keep on doing mistakes and you just get frustrated, there is no result, and you just quit. But affiliate marketing is so simple, right? You as an affiliate marketer, you just have to pick a product, right? Once you pick this product, you just have to sell this product to the customers who are looking for particular solution for their problems. All right, and the process is simple, but there are a hell lot of things you need to understand before doing affiliate marketing, and particularly I'm going to talk about those things before getting into affiliate marketing, right? So when you are choosing any particular product as an affiliate marketer, right, I always tell people that you're not only affiliate marketer, you are affiliate entrepreneurs, right? So you need to have that mindset in you. This is your real business. Always say that when you treat your affiliate marketing as a real business, affiliate marketing will treat you as a real business in future, right? So as doing a business, you need to understand, while choosing any particular product, first of all, use that product. You as an affiliate marketer, you need to use that product. You have to use that product. I'll tell you why, right? If there is a software, right, just for example, a ClickFunnels. The ClickFunnels is a software which can help you to make a website in 5 minutes, which can help you to create a funnel. There are a lot of things where ClickFunnels can help you, or ClickFunnels is really valuable and really important tool for any affiliate marketer. I use the ClickFunnels. So before selling this particular product to the customers, you should use this product, right? You need to understand how this product is solving your problems, how it's helping you, to overcome your problems, or how it can how it's helping you to grow your business, right? So once you start using this product, you will be able to understand, okay, this is my experience with this product, these are the problems which this product is solving, right? So ultimately you will come to know that, okay, this particular product can solve this particular problem in market, right? So you will have that clarity, okay, I can promote this product in a different way, right? I know this product stands for this particular problems, right? So you know your customers, but you don't have to promote all the customers which are available, right? You just have to understand, okay, this customer has this problem, then only you can recommend this product to the particular customers. All right, and that's a really important thing where a lot of affiliate marketers are missing, that they promote to everyone who is available in market. They just get a traffic and they try to push their product to everyone. But make sure a true affiliate marketer or affiliate entrepreneurs never ever push or never sell any product to their customers. They always recommend, because why I say that you have to recommend, because you have to use the product, and once you use the product you get experience, and once you get that experience, if you get benefit out of that product, if you know this product is working for you, then definitely you know that this product can definitely gonna work for for your customers, right? Because you know the problem of their customers, you know the experience, you have the experience of the particular product. So then you already have that clarity, you already have that confidence, okay, this product is going to helpful for you, or this product is going to solve this problem or solve the particular problem, and it can be helpful for you to grow your business. And this is the way of doing affiliate marketing, and that's why I always say that you use the product, you recommend the product. Just have to make sure that you don't sell any product to your customer, because once you try to sell any particular product towards your traffic or towards your customers, then they will run away, right? They will never buy you, because you don't have to be a salesman. You just have to be I always say this, you don't have to be a salesman, you are a value man, right? You have to add value. How you can add value? You just have to use the product, and once you use the product, you are an example of of the particular product, that okay, I have used this. You can show them, okay, I have got these benefits, then you also can get the benefit out of it. And this is so simple fundamentals of affiliate marketers, right? And many people actually lose on this. They try to push, they try to make it in a hurry, and they lose a lot of things. They lose a lot of traffic, they lose a lot of relationship, they lose they don't get results, and ultimately they get frustrated out of it. And that's why I always recommend that always use the product and always recommend the product. Make sure you understand these two things and apply into your business. All right. So let's get into why affiliate marketing is really good for making passive income online. All right. Affiliate marketing is something which anybody can get into it. There is no restriction for anyone to get into affiliate marketing. The person who want to make money online, they can start into affiliate marketing. So see, as I told you, there is a product, right? So you as an affiliate marketer, once you choose any particular product, right, and you sell this product to your customers, right, till the time the customer using your product, which you sold to the particular customers, and till the time he's paying to the subscription, right, every month he has to pay subscription to the particular product, right, till the time you're going to get the commission out of it, right? Because affiliate marketing, this company, the product which has, right, it is on a subscription basis. That's why I told you that you have to choose very carefully whatever you're choosing. You have to choose a right product. Okay, you have to choose you need to understand, okay, the commission patterns of that of that particular product, how you're going to get the commission, right, how much commission you're going to get of that particular sale, right? So you need to consider all these things before choosing any particular product. Okay, so once you sold this product to your customers, until the time the customer using the same product and he's paying subscription every month to the particular product, till the time you're going to get the commission from that company, right, who owns the product. So this is the magic of affiliate marketing, right? So you just have to sell at once, Once you sell any particular product to to one customer, you will be keep on getting commission every month, and that's all about recurring income, and that's all about passive income. You just don't have to sell every time to that particular customers, right? You just have to sell once and you just keep on getting commission every single month, right? And this is all about affiliate marketing, and this can, that's the beauty of affiliate marketing, right? And that's the beauty, because you can create a new business around affiliate marketing, right? If you do it right way, and if you do it ethically, and if you add value to your customers, make sure you're adding value, right? Because you as an affiliate marketer, you don't own any product. You are the person because of your your value, because of your presence on internet, because of you, people are going to buy a product from you, because of not that particular product which has a feature, or it has good quality or something like that. No, people are going to buy because of you. That's why you should be you should adhere to your own values as affiliate marketers. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're recommending, that's why I told you have to use the product. You make sure, right? If you're using the product, if you will ultimately will come to know, okay, this product is really valuable, or this product is not valuable, then if it is good for you, then definitely you have to recommend to your customers. If it is not good for you, if you're not happy, then there is no point to recommend to your customers, because you will not have that feeling in your mind while promoting that particular product if you're not happy with that particular product, right? So this is what all about I wanted to share about affiliate marketing and how it can be helpful for you, especially the people who are new into affiliate marketing, or they just want to get into affiliate marketing. Make sure you understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, and if you do it 100%, right, you don't have to spend a lot of money right now as you are a beginner, or you don't have to worried about or get frustrated because of a lot of noise on internet about affiliate marketing. You just have to clarify your fundamentals. You think that, okay, this can work for me, and I can get into it, and I can definitely work, then you can get into it, right? So this is what all about I wanted to share about affiliate marketing. And if there is anything in your mind, there's some more question you have, some doubts about affiliate marketing, you can just comment below, or you can directly ping me. I'll definitely going to give you answer of all your questions. If there is anything you want to know about affiliate marketing, if there is any other topic about social media or internet marketing, or if you have any challenges to grow your business, you can directly ask any question to me. I'll definitely give you answer to all your questions. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.